Hello friends, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a cursor trail of your cursor. Welcome to David's Techno. So, first you click on the Windows icon and go in settings. And in settings, you go in devices. And in devices, you go in mouse. So now you click on additional mouse options. Then you go in pointer and in pointer it has my cursor. So it will not show the cursor option of making a trail. You have to go in pointer options and it says point select a pointer speed. It is in the middle and enhance pointer precision is there. So we have to display pointer trails. You click on it and it's long. So I click on apply and click on OK. So you can see it's just like a pointer trail. It's like a train or a snake, you can say. You can use it as like you want to see your earlier position. And in additional mouse options, you can just make it a little bit short. Look, when you create a 2, you will get 2. When you make it 3, you will get 3. And if I do it the most, look, so many of them come. So if you click on this check box again, the pointer trail is gone. And I am going to tell you another tip. Click on show location of pointer when CTRL key. Click. So you click on this check box, apply and click on OK. Now I click on this control key on my keyboard and see what will happen. A circle will come around it. So it is just for like if your cursor, you're unable to find your cursor on the screen, you can just click on the CTRL key and it will show you. Like my cursor is over here. I cannot see it because it's over here in the corner. And if I now click on the CTRL key, look, you can locate it. It was over here. So, thank you for watching my video. And please subscribe to my channel, David's Techno. Meet you in my next video with a very interesting topic.